Alrighty guys, we're gonna be doing something a little different today. There was a snowstorm and it, oh my god, it's so fucking cold. And it knocked down this. So I'm gonna cut it up, throw it in the scrap pile, and then we're gonna call it for this video because it is absolutely freezing out. It's in like below 20s, so no riding today. I was going to, but it's too cold. We'll break all that up. Oh. I'm just throwing it all back there, and then I'm gonna take it off the scrapyard once all snow melts, so it should be in the next week or so. That'll be good. Oh, hands from there. My nose is running. My fucking hands are covered in snow, so it's cold now. There you go. So, but I just put these in the garage and they're all got a trash bag. And throw them all out. And then I might bring these in. I don't know what Sasha wants to do with that. Fancy. all day. I'll just throw all this stuff in later on, organize it, get some markets, it's literally freezing out. Oh, I caught myself. Oh shit. Fuck. Alright, we gotta walk down. Yeah, definitely. I'm gonna bring in those couches later. I might film that. Alright, with that being said, I'm gonna end it for now. I'll probably come back out later, finish that up, put all that in the garage. But for now, I'm just gonna end it. See you guys in a bit. Alrighty guys, I'm about to finish up this video really quick by just cleaning up this really quick. It's actually a different day. It was so cold. It's still cold, but not as bad. Still need my Carhartt. I'll grab that later. But I plan on filming 3 videos, well 2 videos, wrapping up this video because it's the next day and it's New Year's, so I plan on wrapping up this video just by cleaning up a little, which will be fast. And then I want to go explore this highway area, and then I want to go film a late video in downtown for New Year's. So going New Year's for downtown, I'm going to downtown for New Year's video. Like, it's all that trash. Just like that, we're almost done. Got my painting tables. I left those. Goes here. Goes here. Just installed speakers in that strap. I need to get rid of a lot of this junk. Where's my... Alright, it's right there. Still haven't put all that rope in my truck. I'm gonna need it one day. But yeah, I just installed 2 new door speakers. And finishing installing the touchscreen because it's been giving a little issues here. There, got the gas. Need to dump in one of those. Probably dump it in my Grom. Or actually, I'll probably dump it in the Harley, cause yeah. I wasn't. Fuck, I didn't really film a video going downtown with the Christmas lights because I took them off because they were dangling. I was gonna go film a video, but then it ended up raining, so I didn't even film that video, so I took them off for no reason. And then I just getting caught up with everything. I forgot. Just going there for now. I'm not organized. Put these just over here. There for now in case it snows again. Oh. Yeah, but I'm about to finish this video up. I'm really almost done because I just want to get most of the tools away. Then I'll clean it up some more. Like, I gotta find a spot for some of this stuff I don't feel like doing right now. I'll put these up here for now so they're not on the ground, and it reminds me more. And then I'm gonna wrap this up, and then I'm gonna wrap this hose up, and then I'm gonna wrap up the video because there's not really too much. Before I wrap this hose up, I should make sure. Actually, it doesn't really matter because I could just stop at the gas station. It's full, but that is slowly, like, ever since right after I got that tire put in, it just had a slow leak. Like, it lasted like a week or so, then after like the first week, it just started getting us. I fucked it up. Oh, and then I'm probably gonna do a video soon that you guys aren't gonna like. Fixing up that bike and then doing some other stuff around here. Cause it's like, I have to do this stuff, so like, if I do it and don't film it, you guys aren't really gonna get a video. So it's like, I'd rather post it and get 4 or 5 views than not post the video, because I've been trying to post daily, but it's been a little weird. So I might just try to post like every other day or something, but I don't know. I think I'm gonna keep posting like this until I get some momentum. Then I'll start posting like every other day. And if it doesn't work, like if I don't start, then I'll start posting just every other day, like quality over quantity. Because right now I'm kind of just posting like quantity like over quality, like just keep bumping out videos, and like, yeah, I feel like they're kind of getting better slowly, but like I'm not really doing anything, and like I don't really have the funnest ideas planned, because I'm always focused on like today, what am I gonna do today, like, and then I'm trying to figure out like socials, and then right now the weather sucks, so I can't do shit. So like, but summertime, I'm gonna keep going like this for a couple months till summer, and then once it gets to that, I'm just gonna, if I can't post like a banger every day, which I don't think I'm gonna be able to, it's gonna be every other day, or like every other day, because then I just get a day off to like work on the video, like think of more ideas for other videos, like, and it'll be summertime. I have the truck, I have all these bikes, like I could really do like mad anything I want. So yeah, so stay tuned for the videos, because, and post some shit down, because I could literally do whatever. Like I could do scooter shit. I have this old piece of shit bike that I'm gonna fix up and most likely sell or give away, but not like a giveaway, just like give it to some kid. But like, or I could like jump it off a fucking roof or some shit in the summer. Like I might just keep that bike and do some wild shit with it, and then hang it up on the wall. Like I might actually do that. Fuck, I thought of, cause like I'm thinking about doing some wild shit. Like I've been seeing a lot of just moving boxes on Facebook Marketplace for free, like tons of them. So like I used to watch like Dudesons and stuff growing up, so like seeing them jump off of like massive buildings into boxes and stuff. So like maybe do some wild stuff with the bikes and small bikes and fuck around. But that being said, I'm gonna call the video here so I could edit it right now, post it, and then I'm about to go out and film exploring like this highway area. Then I'm gonna go out and film a New Year's video later on, so stay tuned for those videos. They both should be pretty good videos. And then since I'm filming those today, I'll have 2 days off to like think of ideas, and I might just film like 2 videos each day depending on what I do, then just have like 4 videos pile up, so I could just have 4 days, make a banger every day, and like think of ideas, and like you guys. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in a bit, but I'm filming it later, but it's gonna be posted the next day. You guys are gonna see this today on New Year's. Happy New Year's. So I love you guys. Pieces, deuces, gang.